Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chapin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Ukraine plans airdrop as crypto donations pass $30 million. Cryptocurrencies worth more than $30 million have now been donated to Ukraine, with the country announcing plans to perform an airdrop to those who have made a financial contribution. Michael Chebanian, the founder of Ukraine's Kuna exchange, shared a spreadsheet that showed huge sums of Bitcoin, Ether, DOT and Tether have been pledged, alongside smaller amounts of altcoins. It's believed that close to half of these funds have already been dispersed. While some is being used to supply civilians with food, gas, medicine and firearms, amid fears of a looming humanitarian crisis in major cities, another wallet has been set aside to provide funding for the army. Speaking to CoinDesk, Chebanian said he was determined to give as much transparency as possible when it comes to how funds are being used, but at the same time, he warned some discretion was required. He explained that the Kuna exchange has been working closely with the government to convert cryptocurrencies into fiat where necessary, because officials have little experience when it comes to managing digital. Smart Chain is a smart contract-enabled blockchain running in parallel with the Binance chain that is also compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. Its popularity skyrocketed in April this year, as daily transactions on the network surpassed those on Ethereum by over 500%, reaching over 9 million transactions for the day, compared to Ethereum's 1.5 million. Transaction numbers for both networks dropped significantly with the May crash earlier this year. But while Ethereum has yet to reach those heights again, BSC has only continued to grow, reaching a new daily record of over 16 million transactions in late November, according to PScan. During this time, just one decentralized exchange, PancakeSwap, was responsible for more transactions on BSC than on the entire Ethereum network. In May, the total value of assets locked in DeFi protocols reached a peak of over $30 billion, though it fell sharply soon after, and has not yet recovered to nearly that point. It was sitting at just over $16 billion at press time, according to DeFi Llama. Binance Coin, the native token of the Binance blockchain ecosystem, which includes BSC, Binance Chain, Binance Academy, Trust Wallet and research projects, began the year in 9th position in the crypto top 10 by market cap, trading around $37 with a market cap of $5.3 billion. Binance Coin is now firmly in 3rd position, trading around $580 with a market cap of almost $100 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. Solana was arguably the hottest blockchain in the second half of this year, after the successful launch of its cross-chain communication bridge Wormhole, and its own NFT series Degenerate Ape Academy, that sold out its 10,000 units and have been active on the network over the last week. This is a significant drop down from its earlier numbers. Even so, since both the token and the network are doing well currently, the lack of participation might not be a trigger for a relapse. DOT can continue to rise or at the very least, consolidate around its current position. The reason a relapse is likely to occur is that the overall volatility is presently at its lowest point in over 16 months, ref. Polkadot volatility image. This will keep the price swings under control. But DOT inching so close to $23.21, the altcoin will have the opportunity to flip it into resistance. Such a price action will allow it to recover all of 2022's losses. There are payment systems like Bitcoin, developer blockchains like Ethereum, and then there is Polkadot, the multi-chain network that has ranked among the top 10 crypto projects since 2020. It's been called the Ethereum killer, leading innovation platform, and Internet of Blockchains. With over $1.2 billion of value locked and a $20 million market cap, DOT's numbers show some truth to these names. But if you ask any Polkadot investor, hardly any of them can explain what it does. To understand why Polkadot is essential for the future of blockchains, let's start by its formal definition. Polkadot is a blockchain with heterogeneous multi-chain and translation architecture. It allows interoperability, scalability, and innovation for Layer 1 blockchains. What makes Polkadot confusing for starters is its uniqueness. Unlike Ethereum or Bitcoin, Polkadot doesn't have smart contract features. The essence of DOT is the central relay chain. It provides infrastructure able to support up to 100 other blockchains at once. Security, governance, and cross-chain communication technology. All blockchains that connect to Polkadot can communicate with each other, known as paired chains. Communication was a big unsolved problem in crypto, as it limits the applications and mass adoption. But DOT's interoperability allows paired chains to transfer any data or assets with ease. The DOT technology in a local currency, hryvnia. Crypto transactions have seen a marked spike in both Ukraine and Russia in the about 7 days the conflict has lasted. Per data from Coinmetrics, crypto exchanges operating in Ukraine including Binance, local bitcoins, and Kuna have seen significant surges. Hryvnia trading pairs with Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and stablecoins like Tether, USDT, have risen to some of their highest levels ever, the report added. Meanwhile, Ukraine continues to see massive mobilization of support from the crypto community. Crypto donations to the government of Ukraine, as well as other entities and NGOs supporting the country, have surpassed $50.9 million, going by Slomist's dashboard, monitoring the various crypto wallets. The government of Ukraine has also been expanding the number of cryptocurrencies it accepts from donors. Having added a Polkadot (DOT) wallet yesterday, it has today added an official Dogecoin (Doge) wallet. Ukraine has also announced that it will carry out an airdrop for crypto donors. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot (DOT) a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot (DOT) prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. DOTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the